All right. Here we go. Can everyone see the screen there?
Yes, we can.
All right. It won't let me go into present mode. So I'll just flip through the slides here. So I'll start off with an overview of the circle. So the Priddis circle is kind of nestled in between the Calgary count circle and the Sheep River count circle. A large portion of it is on Tsuut'ina Nation. So that requires us to obtain permits and have teams go in and drive the roads in there. We had a bit of an issue this year as the roads weren't cleared from the east side. So a team had to go in through a different entrance and weren't able to actually get to part of their area. But we managed to split up and have good coverage throughout the circle. I'll go into the numbers here. In total, we had 30 species with 1,650 individuals. 3 new species were added to the count this year that hadn't been seen before, and those were merlin, Townsend solitaire, and house finch. High counts this year, we had our highest ever number of common redpolls, black-capped chickadees, and common ravens, I believe. And a lot of the numbers, I think the chickadee numbers especially, are due to having more people walking around rather than driving. The weather was pretty nice when we did the count, and it has been. We've had good weather pretty much throughout the whole, every count we've had all 4. So we've been really lucky with the weather. But we had a good turnout of participants. We had 21 participants this year. For example, last year we had 12. And the few years before that, we had 16 and 21. For the individual birds counted, the first few years were almost exactly the same. And the last 2 years have been up. And I think that just has to do with better coverage throughout the circle. We covered more ground those years than we did in 2018 and 2019. So I don't think that's really an accurate representation that there are more birds. I think it's just kind of the relation between the effort and how many individuals were found by each observer. The species numbers stayed pretty consistent, but anywhere between 27 and 31. So this year we had 30, which is pretty average. We had a few groups out there. The average group total was about 12. So there was some overlap, but a lot of groups saw unique species of their own. So that was really interesting to see. There really isn't any open water on the count, so that's a bit of an issue for finding water birds. As you can see here, we only had 20 Canada geese that were seen in the north end of the count circle. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for now. So if anyone has any questions, I'd be happy to answer them.
Can you remind everyone about the date that the count happened?
Yes, the date the count happened was January 2nd. So the first Sunday of the new year, and I'm going to try and keep that consistent to future counts as well.
Thank you very much for sharing with us tonight.